wait. So, we've never been on Percy before, have we? It's always Thomas when we've come before. That's really cool.
Yeah, Gold Rush.
You did really good, didn't you?
Tell the camera about
What was the Gold Rush like? What was Gold Rush like?
Can you open the door? Can't open the door.
Well, look, you can see Percy there, look. Lights, we're on a green light, a green light.
What's the green light for?
You can go. Oh, wow. Look at him, wave to him.
Where is Thomas? Where's Thomas?
There's some sheds over there. I think that's Titmouse sheds.
I can't see Thomas.
That's Titmouse sheds.
Is Thomas inside? Another one.
Oh, we're going to go for a tunnel in a minute.
That's a red light.
Go for a tunnel in a second. They overtake each other on the way down, aren't they? Can't see any of these. Oh, look at that, roller coaster. The Thomas and Trucks. Oh, here we go. Into Knapford Station. Knapford Station.
I think the other trains must be Thomas.
It's Harold, it's a helicopter. We've never been on there.
It's not working still.
Seriously.
Working.
Where's Thomas?
I think the other trainers must be Thomas.
Maybe. Oh, Thomas, where can he be? Are you going to say hello, Percy? You love Percy. I think we're lucky to see Percy today. How cool is that?